All right, more plastic garbage in the engine bay. The factory intercooler for the '05 Cummins. The end tanks are plastic. They do crack, burst, separate, come apart. Get rid of that junk. This is not an if, it's a when. It will fail. Bone stock trucks, no additional power adders, fail all the time. Old guys driving them from the house to the mailbox to take the trash out, show up at the shop with a split intercooler. It's just a super stupid design. That thing gets really hot, especially on the passenger side. Get rid of it, get you a cast aluminum one. Again, I don't really have a favorite. Banks makes a really well-fitting intercooler replacement for the '05 Cummins. Mishimoto makes a really nice replacement cast aluminum intercooler for the Cummins. AFP makes a really nice version for the Cummins. So don't really care what brand you get, just make sure it's metal and not